Yeah, we received calls from others, but we decided to go ahead with them because they knew what they were talking about, and also they brought this creativity aspect by giving different ideas to improve the project.
We wanted to add more storage to the kitchen and also use laundry, converting to ensuite to one of our rooms. So Sadi and Sidhu gave us really great ideas on how to use more space, like get it into more storage.
Yeah, they delivered everything that they promised, and it was done within the time that we agreed. Just like any renovations, yeah, there were a few hiccups, but the guys from Esteem handled it very professionally. They were always available to sort of listen to whatever concerns we had, and they addressed it immediately.
Yes, we are very happy with the end product. Like they really met our expectation, or actually they exceeded our expectation. We are very happy. Certainly, we've already recommended Esteem to both our neighbors. They wanted to go for some renovations, so we've already done that.